Within the truly wireless headphone space, there's a lot of competition between third parties trying to create cheaper versions of the AirPods, which are widely successful. When a vendor reached out to me to do a review on the Dudios Zeus Ace truly wireless headphones, I was really curious about them. The price on Amazon is $40, so I was curious if they actually do stack up to higher end headphones. So in this review, I'm going to be doing the Zeus Ace headphones. So let's go ahead and open the box. I really like the size of this case for the headphones. Typically, sometimes truly wireless headphones have big and bulky cases, but I think this is not that bad. It's pretty good. On the back, you have a micro USB output to charge the headphones, and then opening it up, we have the two headphones here. So let's see what else is included here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up these. So we have the charging cable. We also have some ear tips to change the earbuds if depending on fit. This is how they look. Boom. Snap them back in. Snap them back in. Inside we have some instructions as well. So these headphones light up to show whether they're charging or not. So we're gonna go ahead and close this, open it up. So overall the packaging is really nice on these. They're good size, they're not too big, and they fit pretty well inside your ear. With each headphone, you're getting about 4 hours of playtime, and with the charging case, you're getting an additional 30 hours as well. So that's some great battery life right there. Overall, they do feel really comfortable as well. They feel awesome. These headphones also feature a multifunction button on each side. So tapping the button once plays and pauses the music. Double tapping it twice plays next or previous. Pressing the multifunction button once answers a phone call. Pressing it once also hangs up a phone call and rejects the phone call. And you can also double tap the multifunction during a call to mute or resume a call. Pressing down the button brings up Siri or any voice control system on your phone. So these are pretty good. I think it's really cool that they have a lot of different features on this, and at the price of $40, I think that's awesome. So that was a quick review of the Zeus Ace headphones. Overall, I think they're pretty good for the price, but I do want to point out that you're not getting the best sound quality at all with these headphones. You are getting great battery life, and you're getting portability, and you are also getting comfort, but at the same time, if sound quality is a big thing for you, which it is for me, I can't recommend these headphones. But if you are looking for a cost-effective workout headphones that are truly wireless, then these headphones are pretty good for you. And they're at a good price on Amazon for $40. So yeah, if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, then go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.